Welcome back to episode 2 of Self Groom Sundays. That's what I'm calling this series, which basically means every Sunday there'll be a new video going up that's going to help you groom yourselves better. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 7 simple hacks that will help you go from this to this. It's super easy, trust me. Let's get right into it. Hack number 1 is taking care of your nails. Now, it's such a minuscule and tiny part of your body, but it makes a huge difference to your appearance. You have to sort of create a habit of getting manicures and pedicures done daily, but I know it can get expensive and it's also time consuming. So a quick hack is to learn to do it at home. Now that can also still take a lot of time. So a quick, sort of a hack around it is keep a collection of neutral colored nail paints with you. This is what my nail color collection looks like, but it keeps changing every now and then. I'm going to link some down below for you guys that I personally recommend. So just make sure your nails are always painted and they look neat and tidy. Hack number 2 is tucking in your tops. No matter what you're wearing, be it a t-shirt, a shirt, a sweater, a tank top, make sure to tuck it in. It not only helps flatter your silhouette, but it also makes you look more refined and put together. It's an instant hack, takes only a few seconds, but makes a huge difference versus when you are not tucking them in. You can clearly see how improper and unflattering it looks. So make sure to always keep this in mind. Next hack is to dress up in monochromatic colors. Now, I don't mean only all black or all white, but you can mix and match a couple of neutral colors. Going to show you the palette right here. It includes white, off-white, beige, grey, black, and camel, and basically these kind of color tones. Now, it's a great hack because it instantly makes you look more classy, more expensive, but still remaining in a budget. These colors help you keep it super simple, minimal, and clean, and that's what makes you look classy. Now, I'm going to show you 2 pictures on the screen. You tell me which of these looks like a more put together and a more classy outfit in the comments down below. Next hack is neutral accessories. Now, I've mentioned the power of accessories on my channel time and again, and I will say it one more time. Now, when I'm talking about accessories, it's not just jewelry, it's also handbags and your shoes. So make sure you invest in timeless colors, timeless pieces like beige, off-white, white, nude heels that you can pair with multiple outfits, and they are classic colors that make you look more rich, more put together. For example, if you have a bright green color bag, there is less chance of you pairing it with multiple outfits as compared to like a white or a black bag. Same thing with the heels as well. Get nude and beige pair of heels that are way more classic as compared to something like a neon pink or a neon yellow. Next hack, pay attention to your hair. Don't be afraid to experiment with different kind of hairstyles and see what makes you feel the most confident. Now, I used to have straight hair for the longest time. If you've been following me for a long time, I kept my hair straight in all my videos. That's how I styled myself. But only when I tried and experimented with curling my hair, adding a little bit of beachy waves to it, that I realized I love it, and it just makes me feel way more confident. If you're confused about what suits you, keep doing this hit and trial, or visit a hairstylist who will help you understand what suits your face shape and what looks good on you as well. Another great hack to quickly look put together is using minimal makeup. Now, this includes only 4 makeup products: a concealer, a blush, a mascara, and a lip gloss. Super easy to put, takes you less than 3 minutes to put it all on your face, and makes a huge difference. So even if you've just gotten out of bed and you need to step out quickly and like meet someone or go for a meeting, these 4 makeup products can be a holy grail. And the last hack that I have for you guys is to smell good. Now, every time I wear a fragrance, someone compliments me on how good I smell, it instantly is a confidence booster and also makes you look more attractive and feel more attractive. So my hack is to find that signature fragrance for yourself, and the one that I'm currently using is the Lancome La Vie Belle. I'm going to show it to you guys on the screen. It makes me feel so good and I get so many compliments for it. So look out for a perfume or a fragrance that is your scent, and it will definitely make a huge difference to how you look and how you feel. So these were 7 hacks that can make you look more put together and classy. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you can take away something from it. Let me know in the comments down below what more do you want to watch in the series. I do already have a couple of videos planned. So do tune in every Sunday to my Self Groom Sunday series for a brand new video, and I will see you guys in my next one.